Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. Here we have another INDYCAR Diecast from the 2021 INDYCAR Series. We have Romain Grosjean's 51 Dale Coyne Racing INDYCAR on the back. And we can get Romain Grosjean out of his box. So let me just take this off. If we can just pop the card. So there's his card. And dang, these packages sure do take long to open up. And we have Romain Grosjean's INDYCAR. So as you know, Romain Grosjean is an F1 driver, but then he moved to INDYCAR. And everybody knows him for his flaming wreck in Bahrain. So we have this card. He now is the number 51, just like what Dale Coyne Racing's numbers usually are. His name, the French flag. And on the back, he's from Switzerland, though. I wonder how he got the French nation on board with him. So, yeah, he is a Formula One driver with Dale Coyne Racing, which is usually in many sports like NASCAR. And obviously, if you see the one that says newstrick.com and NASCAR, the number 51 car, that's from his racing series. So here's Romain Grosjean. Obviously, for Dale Coyne Racing, it's obviously purple with the Nutric sponsorship with the blue and yellow lines. Obviously, his number is 51, which is from the 2021 IndyCar Series. But in 2022, which is this year, he is in the 28 of Ryan Hunter-Reay's car, in which Ryan Hunter-Reay doesn't compete anymore, I think. Anyway, this spoiler is a little different from what he drove last year because he didn't do much of the oval races except for Gateway Motor Speedway because, well, the spoiler is a little different. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.